Welcome to tutorial show. This is rate the tutorial video. Today we will have introduction to Rust language. Uh, it's a language empowering everyone to build reliable and efficient software. Why Rust? Performance. Rust is blazingly fast and memory efficient with no runtime or garbage collector. It can power performance critical services, run on embedded devices, and easily integrate with other languages. Reliability. Rust's rich type system and ownership model guarantee memory safety and thread safety, enabling you to eliminate many classes of bugs at compile time. Productivity. Rust has a great documentation, a friendly compiler with useful error messages, and top-notch tooling, an integrated package manager and a build tool, smart multi-editor support with auto-completion and type inspections, and auto-formatter and more. Okay, build it in Rust. In 2008, the Rust community decided to improve the program experience for a few distinct domains. For this, you can find many high-quality crates and some awesome guides on how to get started. Command line. Whip up a CLI tool quickly with the Rust's robust ecosystem. Rust helps you maintain your app with the confidence and distribute it with ease. WebAssembly. Use Rust to supercharge your JavaScript one module at a time. Publish to npm bundle with Webpack, and you are off to the races. Networking. Predictable performance, tiny resource footprint, rock solid reliability. Rust is great for network services. Embedded. Targeting low resource devices. Need low level control without giving up high level convenience. Rust has you covered. Rust in production. Hundreds of companies around the world are using Rust in production today for fast, low resources, cross-platform solutions. Software you know and love like Firefox, Dropbox, and Cloudflare uses Rust. From startup to large corporation, from embedded devices to scalable web services, Rust is a great fit. Okay, I believe we got some idea what where Rust is used. Let us get started. Getting started. Quickly set up a Rust development environment and write a small app. Installing Rust. You can try Rust online in the Rust playground without installing anything on your computer. I want to install in my local machine and try, so I don't try Rust without installing. RustUp, the Rust installer and version management tool. The primary way that folks install Rust is through a tool called RustUp, which is a Rust installer and version management tool. Oh, it's both. It looks like you are running Mac OS, Linux, or another Unix like OS. Yes, mine is Ubuntu. To download RustUp and install Rust, run the following in your terminal, then follow the one screen instruction. Okay, I will run this uh, curl proto https tls. Okay, I think it is basically it will downloading some file from RustUp, this one, and directly passing to sh to execute that. So if anyone want to see what is, you can see this a curl and they have given a URL here. I will remove this pipe sync and sh so that we can see what they are. So you can see here, right? I will pass to what is less. Yeah, you can see that one. Basically it is downloading a bash script, not bash script, it's sh script, shell script there. And if you're adding, you're directly passing to sh, that will execute the job. Current installation options: default host triple x86-64 unknown Linux stable default. I want to proceed with the installation 1. $27 MB. Okay, I'll check after that. Is Rust up to date? Rust updates very frequently. If you have installed Rust some time ago, chances are your Rust version is out of date. Get the latest version of Rust by running Rust update. Mine is latest. Just now I'm installing, not installed. Cargo, the Rust build tool and package manager. When you install Rust, you will also get the latest stable version of the Rust build tool and package manager, also known as Cargo. Cargo does lots of things. Build your project with the Cargo build, run your project with the Cargo run, test your project with the Cargo test, build a documentation for your project with the Cargo doc, publish a library to crates.io with the Cargo publish. Okay, it's a crates.io maybe for Rust. To test that you have Rust and Cargo installed, you can run this in your terminal of choice. Cargo version done. Okay, Rust is installed now. Great. Cargo version, I will check the Cargo version. What? Kurgo, no, Cargo, no. What? Then I installed that one. What? Cargo capital C. What is this one? I installed that one actually. It looked like you're running other installation mode. I will check that one. Oh, here itself it is got problem. This is what they said we need to should do it for installation. Custom installation is profile, which tools can data be installed, default complete. I will go with the complete. Modify path variable. Okay, I will do one thing. Cargo. Okay, I think okay. Actually, I installed here, but I didn't open that. Basically, they will make some update in the initialization script like a .bash rc and all, and that didn't load here. So if I'm trying here Cargo, it will tell no comment. But what I can do is that I can do source .bash rc. This is a initialization script, means whenever we are opening the terminal, this will get executed. So I will execute now, then I will try Cargo. Yeah, that was the problem. Okay, got Cargo hyphen version. Okay, that yeah, I think, yeah, they should have mentioned there that. Okay, what else? Other tools, RSS support available in many editors: VS Code, Sublime Text, Atom. Okay, I will go ahead. Generating a new project. Let's write a small application with our new REST development environment. To start, we will use Cargo to make a new project for us. In your terminal of choice, run Cargo new hello REST. Cargo new hello REST. Correct. Cargo new hello REST. Okay. Created by an application REST package. What they create? A tree hello REST. toml rs. Okay, that's fine. This will generate a new directory called hello rest with the following files: hello rest cargo.toml. Cargo.toml is a manifest file for rest. It is where you keep metadata for your project as well as dependencies. src main.rs is where we will write our application code. Cargo new generates a hello world project for us. We can run this program by moving into the new directory that we made and running this in our environment. Okay, I will do one thing. I will open this with the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code supports REST, right? Here this is a Cargo toml file. Yeah, package. What's the name of the package? Version. Okay, it's a configuration type file. Okay, fn main. Okay, this all. Okay, good. Very simple. What else I should do here? Cargo run. Okay, cargo run. Oh, I need to cd to that directory. Cargo run. Good. Hello world. Oh, good. You should see this in your terminal. Cargo run. Okay, I saw adding dependencies. Let us add a dependency to your application. You can find all sorts of libraries on crates.io. Let me check it. What is that one? Crates.io. The REST community's crate registry. Oh, a lot of download is happening. Nice. Instantly publish your crates and install them. Use the API to interact and find out more information about available crates. Become a contributor and enhance the site with your work. Okay, adding dependencies. Let's add a dependency to our application. You can find all sorts of libraries on crates.io. The package registry for REST. In REST, we often refer to packages as crates. In this project, we will use a crate called Pharisees. In our cargo.toml file, we will add this information that we will got from the crates page. Pharisees version is 2. I will do one thing. I will cargo add Pharisees. Should I edit that file or run the command? I think right. Pharisees. We'll go here. Cargo terminal. Pharisees 0.2. Correct. Pharisees. Okay. Now we can run cargo build, and cargo will install our dependency for us. Okay, cargo build. Oh, they are fetching. Oh, they download a lot of other modules. What is the crates and all. Good. You will see that running this command creates a new file for us, cargo.log. This file is a log of the exact version of the dependencies we are using locally. Okay, I think in npm usually packages.log will be there, that will contain the precise version number. To use this dependency, we can open main.rs, remove everything that is in there. It's just another example, and add this line to it. Use fairy says say. Okay. Yeah, they are asking to write. Okay, use means import. I think import like okay, a small Rust application. Now let us write a small application with our new dependency in our main.rc. Add the following code. Use fairy says say. Okay, I will do one thing. I will go here. I'll delete everything. Use fairy say. Use fairy says say. Use fairy says say. And what is the next line? Use stdio standard out buffer writer. Okay. stdio buffer writer. Okay, now function main, let stdio out serve out. std out, and then let message string from hello fellow Rustaceans. What the that? Let message string from hello Rustians. Okay, let width message dot chars dot count. Let width equal to message dot chars dot count. Okay, let mute writer buff writer new studio lock. I will copy that one rather than typing and wasting. Okay, here basically what is some writer buffer writer they are getting, and say message as bytes. Yes, it is a function calling. Okay, now once we save that, we can run the application by typing cargo run. This is actually in Linux one cowsay is there. Cowsay. Then you can give this message here, cowsay. Hello Rustians. This is a Linux command cowsay. You can use that one same way. Anyway, so cargo run, assuming everything went well. Yes, everything went well. You should see your application print this to the screen. Correct. Learn more. Done. Learn more. How much time it took? Just 19 minutes. Okay. You are a Rustacean now. I don't know how to pronounce that one. Welcome. We are so glad to have you. When you are ready, hop over to our Learn page where you can find lots of books that will help you to continue on your Rust adventure. Learn more. Not now. Who is this crab? Ferris? Ferris is the unofficial mascot of the Rust community. Many Rust programmers call themselves Rustaceans, a play on the word crustacean. We refer to fairies with any pronouns she, he, they, it, itsy. Ferris is a name playing of the adjective ferrous, meaning of or pertaining to iron. Since rust often forms on iron, it seems like a fun origin for our mascot name. You can find more image of fairies on rustaceans.net. No. Okay. Anyway, what I did today I installed that one and learned some cargo build command. This command was for installing the build and or cargo run. It is running that project, and then yeah, that done. Yeah, I learned how to create a new project and what and all files were there. And yeah, rs is the file extension for rust. Okay, how to add dependency also we learned. You can add using cargo add or directly you can add. Okay, anyway, it was yeah, the documentation was it is very good actually. You can see that nice colors, everything, and very simple. It is really interesting to read and execute this code. Anyway, I will give a 5 out of 5. Thank you for watching.